Air conditioning. Air conditioning is typically about half of your home energy use. Set the thermostat to 78 degrees. Each degree saves about 5% on air conditioning costs. Be sure to set your thermostat 3 to 5 degrees higher when you leave for 2 hours or more. Set on auto so the fan isn't running constantly. Clean or replace your air conditioner filter every month. A fan can make you feel 3 to 5 degrees cooler, and it costs pennies to run. But fans don't cool rooms, they cool people. So turn fans off when you leave the room. Use caulk, spray foam, or weather stripping to seal gaps around windows and doors. It's a low-cost way to reduce the amount of air that enters or escapes your home. Exterior window treatments do the best job of keeping the heat out. Ceiling insulation is a cost-effective option to reduce heat loss and heat gains.